Do you think you're skilled in artificial intelligence and machine learning? Do you want to test yourself and see what level your knowledge is at? Today, I have a test-based course for you that helps you evaluate your knowledge in this field. And the best part? It's completely free. The course I'm introducing today is Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning Test. This course costs around €20, and more than 500 people have enrolled in it. It consists of multiple-choice questions designed to assess your understanding of artificial intelligence and machine learning. It's perfect for students, programmers, and anyone interested in this field. How to get this course for free? Open your browser and search for couponcenter5.com. Make sure to enter the correct website address to go to the official site. Coupon Center 5 is an amazing website that offers many free courses with discount codes. So if you're looking to learn without spending money, this is the perfect place for you. This website has courses in various categories, all available for free. Our course is listed under the development section. After entering this section, you'll find many courses in this field. Click on the course. Scroll down the page and press Go to the course. Now, as you can see, you can enroll in this course completely free of charge. Keep in mind that this discount is time limited, so sign up before it's too late. If you want to get even more free courses, don't forget to visit couponcenter5.com. Make sure to like and subscribe. Leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends. See you in the next video.